Investing can feel overwhelming. The news never stops, markets move every day, and the choices can feel endless. But here's the thing, successful investing doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 5 simple principles that will help you reach your goals and grow your wealth. Principle number 1, start early. Time is your biggest ally. Think of compounding like a snowball rolling down a hill. The earlier you start, the bigger it's gonna get. The following chart compares 2 savers, one that starts in their 20s with $200 a month, and the other that waits 20 years later and invests double that. By retirement, the early starter still ends up $86,000 ahead. That's the power of time. Principle number 2, invest regularly. Consistency beats timing. The following table shows how small monthly amounts stack up. Even $50 a month grows to over $25,000 in 25 years at a modest return, while $500 a month grows to $250,000. This is dollar cost averaging. Putting money in on a schedule means you naturally buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high. Principle number 3, invest enough. Big goals take real commitment. Whether it's buying a home, funding education, or retiring comfortably, you need to save enough today. The earlier you start, the less heavy lifting you're gonna have to do later. And then principle number 4, have a plan. Markets can be unpredictable. If you react emotionally by buying high and selling low, you risk derailing your future. The following historical chart shows that $10,000 invested in the Canadian stock market in 1975 grew dramatically over decades despite recessions, crashes, and volatility along the way. The lesson, markets recover and a plan helps you stay the course. Now, our final principle, principle 5, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The following colorful heat map of asset classes shows how leaders change every year. Sometimes it's US stocks, sometimes it's emerging markets, sometimes even cash. Diversification means you don't need to predict the winners. When one part of your portfolio is down, the other might be up, keeping your journey a lot smoother. So let's summarize what we went over today. The 5 principles are: start early, invest regularly, invest enough, have a plan, and diversify. These 5 simple steps are the foundation of long-term investing and success. The sooner you put them into action, the closer to reaching your goals you're going to be. Thank you so much.